English conversation practice.
Hi,
Hello.
what is your name?
My name is Emily.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Is she a doctor?
No, she is a nurse.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Where does he live?
He lives in Mumbai.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What's the weather like today?
It's raining today.
Do you have a pet?
No, I don't have any pets.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
How far is your house from here?
It's about 10 kilometers away.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I love watching movies.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
How much does it cost?
It costs $30.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 6661798.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 1st.
Is it raining outside?
Yes, it's raining outside.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What's the capital of France?
The capital of France is Paris.
What's the time?
It's 3:30 p.m.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
What do you study?
I study biology.
How many people are in your family?
There are 3 people in my family.
Do you have a car?
No, I don't have a car.
What's your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject is history.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 3 years.
What's in your bag?
I have my wallet and keys.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
What's the date today?
Today is March 27th.
Do you like to travel?
No, I don't like to travel.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use an alarm clock to wake up.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone for messages.
What do you have to breakfast?
Usually, I have cereal and fruit for breakfast.
How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It takes me about 30 minutes to get ready.
What mode of transportation do you use to commute?
I drive to work.
What's your favorite episode of the day?
I enjoy the quiet mornings.
How do you stay organized during the day?
I use a planner to organize my tasks.
Do you have a lunch routine?
I try to have a balanced lunch with protein and veggies.
What's your work study routine like?
I start with priority tasks and then move to others.
How do you take breaks during the day?
I take short walks or stretch breaks.
Do you have an afternoon snack?
Yes, I usually have a piece of fruit or nuts.
When do you typically finish work?
I finish around 5 p.m.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us for more